You're watching One to Step YouTube channel, a channel where we post tutorial videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can request money on Cashapp. So Cashapp is an app ultimately developed to send and receive money. So to receive money, you can request money from your friend as well. Let's say some of your friend took $100 from you and you want to request your money back. You can do that using Cashapp, alright? So follow the step which I'm going to be showing. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. Now let's move on. First step, open Cashapp and enter the amount of money you want to request. I want to request $100, so I'm going to enter 100. Now once you enter the amount you want to request, click on request at the bottom left corner. Once you do that, you need to enter the cash tag of the person. If you want to enter their name, you can do it as well, but I would suggest you to use cash tag. Alright, so I'm going to write the person's name over here and choose it over here at the bottom and click and confirm. Once you do that, at the top right corner you can see the request option. Click on it and the request will be sent to the person, but for some reason I'm not able to because I live outside US, so I can't do that. So that's why it's showing me this over here, so I'm gonna click on done. But your request should be sent if you just do the step which I just did. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can request money on Cashapp. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.